Have you ever found your vision blurring, struggled with eye strain after a long day, or had difficulty seeing at night? While these symptoms are often blamed on screen time or aging, your diet might be playing a bigger role than you think. Today, we'll delve into 8 common foods that could be harming your eyes and offer healthier alternatives, along with specific recommendations to protect your vision. First up is sugar, which is found in nearly everything we eat and drink. While cutting sugar entirely may seem impossible, limiting your intake is essential for maintaining healthy vision. Research from the Journal of Ophthalmic Research in 2023 revealed that high blood sugar levels can damage the delicate blood vessels in your eyes, potentially leading to diabetic retinopathy, a condition that causes blurred vision and worsens night vision. For optimal eye health, the American Heart Association advises men to cap their added sugar intake at 36 grams per day, roughly 9 teaspoons, and women at 25 grams, about 6 teaspoons. Instead of sugary snacks and drinks, opt for fresh fruits. These not only satisfy your sweet tooth, but also provide essential nutrients and fiber to help stabilize blood sugar levels. Fried foods and trans fats. Fried foods and trans fats are not only bad for your heart, but also detrimental to your eyes. A 2022 study in Nutrition and Vision found that people who regularly consume trans fats are 25% more likely to develop age-related macular degeneration, a condition that can cause severe vision loss and blindness. Trans fats are often found in processed and fried foods, so cutting back is critical. The World Health Organization recommends keeping trans fats to less than 1% of your total daily caloric intake, which is around 2 grams per day on a 2,000-calorie diet. Swap out those unhealthy fats for options like olive oil, avocados, and nuts, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, key nutrients that help combat eye dryness and strain. Alcohol. Alcohol is another factor that can blur your vision and cause long-term damage to your eyes. The British Journal of Ophthalmology published a 2022 study that linked excessive alcohol consumption to optic neuropathy, a condition that harms the optic nerve and impairs vision, especially in low-light settings. Alcohol is also dehydrating, and without proper hydration, your eyes can become dry, strained, and uncomfortable. To keep your eyes healthy, the CDC recommends no more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. To give your eyes a break, consider switching to water or herbal teas. Staying hydrated will keep your eyes lubricated and help reduce strain. Refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates like white bread, sugary cereals, and pasta are another major culprit when it comes to eye health. According to a 2023 study published in the Journal of Diabetes and Eye Health, individuals who consume large amounts of refined carbs are 35% more likely to develop cataracts. Cataracts cloud the lens of the eye and lead to blurred vision and worsened night vision. To protect your eyes, it's recommended to replace refined carbs with whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa. The dietary guidelines for Americans suggest that at least half of your grain intake should come from whole grains, which amounts to 3 to 5 servings per day. Whole grains help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of damage to your eye's blood vessels. Salty processed foods. Salty processed foods like chips and deli meats can also harm your vision over time. High sodium intake increases blood pressure, which affects the small, fragile blood vessels in your eyes. A 2021 study in hypertension and vision health found that those who consumed excessive amounts of sodium were 40% more likely to experience optic nerve damage, leading to blurred vision and eye strain. The American Heart Association recommends keeping sodium intake under 2,300 milligrams per day, with an ideal goal of 1,500 milligrams for optimal health. To balance out sodium levels and reduce the strain on your eyes, incorporate more potassium-rich foods such as bananas, sweet potatoes, and spinach into your meals. Artificial sweeteners. Even artificial sweeteners, which are often marketed as a healthier choice, can have a negative impact on your eyes. A 2021 study from the American Journal of Ophthalmology reported that people using artificial sweeteners were at a greater risk of developing dry eye syndrome, especially if they also spent long hours in front of screens or didn't drink enough water. If you do use artificial sweeteners, aim to limit your intake to fewer than 3 to 4 servings per day. Natural alternatives like honey or stevia can be used sparingly, and drinking plenty of water can help prevent dry eye symptoms. Processed meats. Processed meats like sausages, bacon, and deli slices contain nitrates and preservatives that can have harmful effects on your eye health. In 2022, the Journal of Ocular Nutrition published findings indicating that consuming these meats on a regular basis increase the risk of developing glaucoma, a disease that causes vision loss and makes it difficult to see in low light. The American Cancer Society advises limiting processed meat consumption to no more than 18 ounces per week. For healthier alternatives, consider lean proteins like chicken or plant-based proteins such as lentils, beans, and quinoa, which offer nutrients that support both eye and overall health. Caffeine. Too much caffeine can also be harmful to your vision. While moderate caffeine consumption is generally safe, excessive amounts can increase intraocular pressure, which has been linked to blurred vision and an increased risk of glaucoma. A 2023 study from the European Journal of Ophthalmology found that individuals who consumed high levels of caffeine had more severe glaucoma symptoms, making it harder for them to see at night. The FDA recommends keeping your caffeine intake under 400 milligrams per day, which is equivalent to about 4 cups of coffee. To maintain healthy eyes, balance your caffeine intake with plenty of water and herbal teas, which can keep your eyes hydrated and reduce strain. In conclusion, if you're struggling with blurred vision, eye strain, or difficulty seeing at night, simple changes to your diet can make a significant difference. Reducing your intake of sugars, refined carbs, processed meats, and alcohol, while increasing whole grains, healthy fats, and hydrating foods will help you maintain clear, healthy vision. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.